series na ito.
Dalawang balasa agad sa starting unit si Coach Typhoon Min. Samonte only played a set and a half in that.
Dad, Marfred that told her to use her talent at sumali sa varsity. Santiago, sinabayan ang palot ni Morente. Point here for Doromal.
Quick reaction coming from Doromal.
Dahil gusto daw niya maintindihan kung bakit ganun ang attitude at personality ng isang tao. And you starting off hot dito sa ating first set ng game number 1. Chemistry ng Lady Bulldogs na kasama si Risa Santos. This quick attack by Jules Samonte kasi si Risa Santos na isang Ronnie Magsano. Kasama rin natin si Janine Choi at courtside.
Ng Ateneo.
Bea De Leon with a quick attack.
And that's a play that result.
Tsaka grabe yung kalaban ni Giselle Tan last year. Si Ruby De Leon na nag-guest setter para sa MU.
Pero ito, solid ito na roster players.
Yes.
Talaga, ito yung mga lalaro dahil nasa collegiate conference po tayo.
Romal. And somehow, Morente sends it back to the NU side. Nabor tossing it up to Ordaz. Tuloy pa rin ang rally na ito. Here's Gopico! Ana Gopico closes the set.
That's why sabi natin kanina, si Michelle Morente can be considered a workhorse for Ateneo. And Ordaz follows suit with 7 and the 5 points itong si Jorel Singh.
Morado tossing it up to Morente. And Ateneo just on a roll here in set number 3.
The workhorse continues to detonate cannons para dito.
Doing great.
Doing great, to say the least. What can I say? Definitely a welcome addition para dito sa si Eagles dahil matagal siya nawala di ba?
Yes.
And she has worked her way towards once again getting into peak form. She's going to be critical para dito sa Ateneo dito sa finals. Maging sa kampanya ng
Judge Santiago will have to operate from the back row. Oh, Bea De Leon! Tumaplis lang sa kanyang kamay. Ito natin kung makabawi din sila dito sa set number 4. Maraming salamat muli sa pagtutok. Anton Rojas, Coach Ronnie.
Pero sino ba yung kalmado?
Lumalagotok!
18 points for Jaja Santiago. 8 in the third set. Right now, nasa fourth.
Morado to De Leon. That time, they were able to connect.
The third set was a battle of scoring run.
Ordaz, popped up by De Leon. Morado, binigay kay Gopico. Cross-court, Valdez was there. Nabor, setting it up para kay Ordaz, who breaks down the wall. And we will go to a deciding 5th set.
Ordaz.
Best of 3 for 5 sets rin ang labanan sa pagitan ng FEU at ng UP.
Sulit na sulit yung mga
Samonte with that jump float serve. Here's Ordaz. Bea De Leon again. Sinarado ang pintuan.
Ateneo had 0 blocks. Si Jaja Santiago.
He gets a lot of tips from Coach Edget dahil quicker din si Coach Edget. But speaking of quickness, that was one quick attack. Nabor starting this rally. Morado back set para kay Gopico. Jasmine Nabor keeps it alive. Doromal binigay kay Ordaz.
Net touch for Ateneo.
At isa na lang ang kalalanan ng Ateneo. Wow!
8-3 kanina yung talaan. NU nagpapamalas.
Tiago sends it back to the other side. Gopico. Hinahanap si Gia Morado. Free ball binigay sa NU. Santiago na naman!
Most of the points by NU in the last.
Dito lang bumalik sa game number 1. Nabor, binigay kay Santiago. Wow! 14-all!
Perfect reception coming from Gail Valdez.
Maraginot receives that one. Morente. Drop shot does not work. Ordaz, susubukang tapusin ang match. Panibagong pagkakataon. Samonte keeps it alive. Morado, binigay kay Gopico. Popped up by Sig. Sato, a joust at the top. Morado sets it up for Morente. Tuloy ang rally. Nabor, pinalik kay Ordaz. Right in between the blockers. And MU takes
Unbelievable finish. Unbelievable wind-up. Miracle plays. Great mindset. What a fight back coming from National University. Finals. Probably the best game for Aiko Ordaz in terms of efficiency, especially down the stretch. But of course, we couldn't deny that Judges Santiago literally stood the tallest for the National University.